Hey, good looking. It looks like you clicked on this video because you want to learn how to make banners for your YouTube channel completely free. It's very easy, very detailed. So hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. Hey, good people. So the first thing you're going to do is go into your app store and then download the app Photo Art. Yep. Yeah, I kind of spelled that wrong, but yeah, download the app Photo Art. Once you get that going, you're going to, mine is downloading. Once that is done downloading, what you're going to do next is go straight into the app and then click that purple button. Pick any photo of your choice, whatever photo you like, that's going to represent like your whole channel. So make sure you pick a nice photo, okay? So this right here is a photo that I chose. So you're gonna literally click cut out. Once you click that, you're gonna crop out everything that you don't want to be in the picture. So with the red dot, well, line, you're gonna crop your photo. So all the white background is gonna go away, and all that's gonna be left is my picture. I'm gonna give you the option to just shade in the picture so that it can really just make it pop. So just shade your whole photo, everything that you want to be there, color it in all red. And once you're done, you're just gonna simply press save, and then it's gonna tell you to press next, save it into your phone, and then we'll go from there. I'm just cleaning my photo up a bit. So what you have here from Canva are like templates to work with, but I'm a little extra, so I didn't go with those. Instead, I wanted to go with like a very boho aesthetic with plants and greens and pinks. But I initially started off with the plant idea, and I'm gonna show you guys that one of what that one looked like initially. But I'm not gonna waste your time because I ended up going with like a blush pink. So I'm just gonna show you how I went through with the blush pink. But before I do that, let me show you how the plant aesthetic went for that banner. So this right here is what my plant aesthetic ended up looking like. I tried different things, and this is what the finale was. But I'm gonna go into details to show you guys how I actually did the one that's currently on my YouTube channel right now, the one that I fell in love with. It was so pretty. Let me keep watching. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is click text and then pick add a heading, and then you're going to change the heading to your YouTube channel name. But I played around a bit when it came to this one. I switched my fonts around, my colors, my size. So don't hesitate to be a little bit creative and fix your channel the way that fits your personality and your brand. All right, so the next thing I ended up doing was go back to add text, and then I put a subheading, and this is pretty much just the things that my channel is about: Jesus, fashion, relationship, and lifestyle. So if yours is a beauty channel, if yours is a review channel, a fashion channel, make sure you write that below so that when your new viewers come around, new subscribers, old subscribers come around, they can see what your channel is about, and they can make their decision whether or not they want to rock with you or not. As you can see here, I'm changing the fonts again, changing some colors around, just playing around, making just trying to see different things to see what I like and what I don't like. And what you're gonna see soon is that I actually changed the brown color to a pink, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I did that. Okay, so what you're gonna do is click the plus sign, go to photos, and then type in whatever image you want to see or whatever color. I typed in pink, so I ended up picking the cloud. It's like a rose gold, very pretty. What I'm also gonna do is change the font. Again, you're moving, changing things around according to your aesthetic, according to your brand, however way you want to see it. It should suit your personality. This is your channel. This is like people's first impression of you when they come to your channel. So make sure it looks good and it looks the way that you want to represent yourself. All right, so now it's looking the way I want it to look. And so what you're gonna do after you're done with all of this, okay, so here's one really important step. We have to be able to resize it, because if you don't resize it when you upload it on your YouTube banner, it's not gonna look right at all. So make sure you change the size to what I just showed you. All right, if you need to go back and look at the numbers, make sure you get the dimensions correct. So this is the accurate size. I tried to upload it on my YouTube channel and it wasn't coming out right. So they'll give you a template like this. Go ahead and delete all the other stuff that was on there. Now what you're going to do is go press photos, and then you're going to go back to the banner that you and I just finished doing. You post it on there. Now what you're going to do is this, right? Make sure you match the background. The background matches what's already on your banner, which is the cloud. Perfect. So now it looks seamless. Now zoom it a bit. Now this is a tricky part. Make sure that this banner is not down, it's not in the middle, but it's above. You see that? Closer to the top than the bottom, than the middle. So once you have it there, once you download it and you put it on your YouTube channel, everything will be able to show. Every image, everything that you have, they'll be able to show. It won't tell you that it's too big or too small. This will literally be the perfect size. So once you already have that, you save it and then you're done. You're welcome, boo. Okay, so the very last thing that you're going to do, of course, is go on your YouTube channel. Open up YouTube, but open up YouTube on your laptop, because obviously you won't be able to do it on your phone. Open it up on your laptop and upload your new banner. And you're welcome. Kindly subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, and share with your family and